Hey there, welcome to Budget Buying, where today we're breaking down the top 5 best car battery tester to help you keep your vehicle running smoothly and avoid battery surprises. Up first is number 5, Bside Q11 car battery tester with smart, safe Kelvin testing. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Bside Q11 car battery tester. The Bside Q11 car battery tester is designed to help drivers quickly and accurately evaluate the health of their vehicle battery without guesswork. Using Kelvin test operation with low-frequency constant current, it provides a safe and effective diagnostic process that does not harm the battery. By sending a fixed frequency and current test signal, the tester samples voltage and performs detailed processing such as rectification and filtering to calculate internal resistance. This makes it suitable for analyzing almost all types of vehicle batteries. With this device, you can easily determine whether your car battery needs replacement. Sometimes a vehicle may not start simply due to insufficient charge rather than a complete battery failure. The Bside Q11 helps you make the right decision, avoiding unnecessary replacements and preventing misleading guesses. Its ability to test multiple battery types, including car-starting aluminum acid batteries, makes it a practical tool for everyday use. The voice broadcasting feature has been upgraded to enhance user experience. Measurements are automatically announced aloud, making the testing process smarter, quicker, and hands-free. Safety is also a priority in the design. The tester includes enhanced internal protection to guard against reverse polarity, excessive voltage, poor contact, and other potential issues during use. This ensures reliable results while maintaining a safe and convenient testing process. The Bside Q11 car battery tester is a dependable companion for drivers who want clarity and confidence in monitoring their battery's condition, ensuring accurate diagnosis and greater peace of mind on the road. Coming in at number 4, the Konnwei KW520 car battery tester. The Konnwei KW520 car battery tester is a versatile and advanced tool designed to help drivers maintain the health and performance of their vehicle batteries. This 3-in-1 device functions as a battery tester, charger, maintainer, and desulfator, making it a valuable companion for anyone who wants to keep their battery working at its best. Featuring a large, colorful LCD display with easy-to-use buttons, the KW520 offers a simple and intuitive experience for both beginners and professionals. The KW520 provides detailed and accurate diagnostics for 12V and 24V batteries, allowing users to analyze battery voltage, charge levels, and internal resistance. These measurements help determine whether the battery needs recharging or is still performing well. It also includes cranking and charging system analysis, ensuring that not only the battery but also the alternator and starting system are in good condition. This comprehensive testing gives vehicle owners confidence and peace of mind on the road. As a fully automatic charger, the KW520 can bring deeply discharged batteries back to life, even those with voltage as low as 2 volts. It supports a maximum output of 12 volts 10 amps or 24 volts 5 amps, using advanced pulse repair technology to detect sulfation and acid stratification. This process helps restore battery performance, extend service life, and reverse damage caused by long periods of inactivity. The KW520 is compatible with a wide range of lead-acid battery types, including flooded, AGM, gel, spiral, and lithium batteries, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more. Supporting multiple languages such as English, German, French, Spanish, and others, it offers global usability and convenience for users around the world. At number 3, we have the Foxwell BT705 car battery tester. The Foxwell BT705 is a professional automotive diagnostic tool designed to accurately assess the condition of 12V and 24V vehicle batteries and charging systems. Built to support a wide range of battery types, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, and deep cycle batteries, it offers reliable testing for vehicles equipped with batteries rated from 100 to 2000 cca. Whether used in a workshop or home garage, it delivers fast and dependable results based on recognized standards such as CCA, EN, CA, DIN, SAE, GIS, and IEC. Powered by advanced conductance testing technology, the BT705 excels in detecting the true health and performance of a vehicle battery. With high-quality copper clips and durable wiring, it ensures stable communication during every test. The device can quickly analyze cold cranking amps, starting capability, and overall battery condition, helping vehicle owners understand when a battery is weakening or failing. Beyond battery analysis, the Foxwell BT705 also evaluates both cranking and charging systems to provide a complete picture of vehicle electrical health. It measures cranking time and voltage to identify potential starter motor issues and checks the charging system to confirm that the generator output, rectifier diode, and current flow are performing within correct limits. This allows users to pinpoint potential problems early, avoiding costly breakdowns and repairs. One of the standout features of the BT705 is its efficient operation and ease of use. It delivers precise results in as little as 2.5 seconds, all displayed clearly on a large, backlit LCD screen. Even better, testing can be performed without disconnecting the battery, making the process quick, clean, and convenient. With its comprehensive capabilities and user-friendly design, the Foxwell BT705 is a valuable diagnostic tool for both technicians and vehicle owners seeking fast, accurate, and affordable battery and system analysis. Next up at number 2 is the Ancel BA301 car battery tester. The Ancel BA301 car battery tester is a professional diagnostic tool designed to make battery analysis easier, faster, and more reliable. Supporting both 6V and 12V batteries, it is suitable for a wide variety of vehicles and power systems. Its simple and intuitive operation allows users to perform tests both inside and outside the vehicle, ensuring flexibility and convenience in every situation. With advanced internal algorithms and high-quality components, the device delivers highly accurate results within milliseconds, allowing users to make quick decisions based on real battery data. This tester provides a complete battery analysis, including health status, life expectancy, and clear evaluation results such as good, recharge, or replace. The addition of one-key voltage waveform analysis gives users the ability to visually monitor battery performance, while 3 LED indicators offer immediate feedback on the battery's condition. The BA301 is equipped with an imported STM32-103VCT6 chipset, ensuring fast processing speed and smooth operation throughout all diagnostic functions. Users can also benefit from lifetime free updates and PC printing support for documentation and record keeping. The cranking test feature analyzes the starting system, measuring cranking voltage and current to determine whether the starter motor is functioning properly. It evaluates cranking time, voltage drop, and load performance to identify issues such as excessive torque or friction inside the motor. In addition, the charging test examines the generator, rectifier, and diode performance by reading load voltage, no load voltage, and ripple level. This helps prevent damage caused by incomplete or excessive charging, protecting the battery life significantly. To provide continuous monitoring, the BA301 features real-time voltage tracking, displaying the waveform of voltage changes during discharge, ignition, and charging. This powerful tool ensures early detection of declining battery performance, helping users decide whether maintenance or replacement is necessary. Finally, at number 1, we have the Topdon BT200 car battery tester. The Topdon BT200 car battery tester is a professional-grade diagnostic device designed to evaluate 12V and 24V automotive batteries with speed and precision. Built using advanced conductance testing technology, it delivers accurate insights into battery condition, helping vehicle owners and technicians quickly identify issues related to battery health, performance, and charging systems. This versatile tester supports multiple functions, including battery testing, charging tests, and cranking tests. The battery test reads data based on the system standard and rating printed on the battery, ensuring precise measurements every time. Before performing the test, the engine and all electrical accessories must be turned off to guarantee correct results. If the battery has been fully charged, switching on the vehicle headlamps for a few minutes is recommended to bring the voltage back to a normal state for testing. The BT200 also performs reliable charging system checks. For this test, the engine must remain on, and all accessories must stay off. Changing the state of any electrical device in the vehicle during the process can impact result accuracy. Its cranking test is equally effective and should be conducted with the engine and accessories turned off to ensure dependable readings. With features like reverse polarity protection and intuitive usability, the Topdon BT200 simplifies the diagnostic workflow. It assists users in understanding battery condition, detecting potential failure points, and maintaining vehicle performance with confidence. Whether for professional garages or home mechanics, it offers an efficient and accurate solution for everyday automotive battery diagnostics. Running low on power? Don't let your car leave you stranded. Check the price link in the description for all featured testers, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more budget-friendly auto tech.